Hello everyone, welcome back to Excel Insider. In today's video, we will learn how to change legend colors in Excel. Here is a sample dataset and chart we are using for demonstration. It contains temperatures across three different cities named City A, B, and C along different months of the year. We are presenting them with a line chart. So this is the default color for the chart that Excel creates. We will change them to a custom color. Before this, a small reminder is that in Excel 2016 and later versions, every formatting option is included in a different pane. This pane pops up on the right of the sheet after you select the formatting option. In the prior versions, the options would be available in a dialog box. So, to change the color, click on any of the lines. Now, right-click on your mouse and then scroll down and select Format Data Series. This will open a Format Data Series pane at the right side of your screen. From there, select this option. Under the Line option, choose Solid Line. Now, you will see a color option. Click on this and there will be a lot of colors to pick. I'll pick this green one. So now you can see that this line has become green. And the legend for City C has become green as well. So this is how you can change the colors of the other legends and the lines. You can get the workbook for this content linked below. Drop any questions or feedback in the comments box and please visit Excel Insider for more Excel and Google Sheets tutorials like this.